Welcome to the New Mexico Department of Workforce Solutions Labor Market Information Tips. What is the average wage for a specific occupation? For employers, how much should I offer a candidate to be competitive with other employers? For candidates, how much should I earn for my chosen occupation based on my experience level? To find average wages for a specific occupation, go to our LASER website at laser.state.nm.us. Once there, scroll down to see Data and Statistics Quick Links. Click on OES Wages. The table is pre-populated with annual wage rates for occupation groups. You can use the radio button at the top of the table to display hourly wage rates instead of annual wage rates. For each occupation, you will see the entry-level wage, the median wage, and the experienced wage. Click on the three dots to the right of the table to view other wage rate categories. On the top left corner, you will see Filter to filter by different geographies and occupations. The geography filters allow you to see the different geographies and show how occupations compare to other regions and areas. Beneath the geography filters are occupation filters. Click to expand the occupation level. Deselect all and select all detailed occupations. Under Select Occupation Family, you will see 24 items selected that can remain as is. Click to expand the Occupation drop-down box under Select Occupation. Occupations are sorted by Standard Occupational Classification Code. For this tip, we are going to find average wages for registered nurses in New Mexico. You can either select an occupation from the list, or you can use the search bar to search for an occupation title. Begin by typing nurse. As you type, the list of occupations will narrow, showing occupations with nurse in the title. Select registered nurses from the list. The table to the right automatically adds the selected occupation. Beneath Select Occupation, you can search for an occupation if you don't know the exact title for the occupation you'd like. Click the Filter title again to close the filter. The table now shows the average wage rates for registered nurses in New Mexico. Thank you for watching this labor market information tip. If you need additional assistance finding labor market information, please call or email us at nmdws.economicresearch@dws.nm.gov.